Welcome to the dynamic world of e-commerce, where success hinges on more than just great products. In today's competitive landscape, mastering customer experience analysis is your secret weapon for building loyal customers and skyrocketing sales in your business. But what exactly is customer experience analysis, and how can you use it to stay ahead of the curve in competition? Let's explore it further to help you build your brand for the long term. So starting out, what is customer experience analysis? Well, in summary, it is the process of understanding how customers interact with your brand across various touch points. From their first visit to your website to post-purchase follow-ups, CEA helps businesses measure satisfaction, identify pain points, and craft strategies for improvement. Think of it as the art and science of ensuring every customer journey is seamless and personalized and memorable. So why is this important? Well, in e-commerce, the customer experience isn't just important, it's everything. Studies show that 86% of shoppers are willing to pay more for a better experience. Think of yourself for a moment there. From easy navigation to fast shipping, every detail matters. By prioritizing your customer's journey, you're not only just selling products, you're building relationships that last. It respects the customer's time and them as a person, making them feel valued, not just as a number. Who wants to just be a number? No one. So now that we understand why it's important, let's talk about what makes up a great customer experience. Well, it's all about the 4 key components: strategy, design, feedback, and measurement. Starting with strategy, craft a customer-centric approach that aligns with your business goals. 2, design user-friendly interfaces and cohesive branding. 3, feedback. Gather insights through reviews and surveys to understand what's working and what's not. And then 4, measurement. Track metrics like the Net Promoter Scale, NPS, and Customer Satisfaction Score, CSAT, to monitor progress. One of the most powerful tools in customer experience analysis is sentiment analysis. By analyzing customer reviews and social media mentions and feedback, businesses can gauge emotions, whether customers are delighted or disappointed. Sentiment analysis helps you address concerns proactively and celebrate what you're doing right in your business now. But how do you know if you're getting it right? Well, measurement is key. Use these tools and metrics to assess your performance. The Net Promoter Score, the NPS, measures customer loyalty. Customer Satisfaction Score, or CSAT, tracks how happy customers are after an interaction. And Website Analytics allows you to understand user behavior and identify roadblocks like high bounce rates, abandoned carts, or lack of repeat purchases. There are a number of tools that you can use to help you with this. For customer loyalty, you can use e-commerce tools like Loyalty Lion that allows you to see analytics on customer loyalty and how much they're using your referral links and buying from you time and time again. For your CSAT score, you can use live chat apps. Basically, the one that I find it's the best has been Intercom. It allows you to measure this per staff member and look back at the analytics for this. It's a great tool to identify gaps in how you can improve your customer experience very easily, very popular tool. And for website analytics, the one that we all know is Google Analytics V4 that allows you to measure bounce rates, conversion rates, and all within there. You mainly want to use the source medium section within there to see the source and product that helps you identify what is getting you the best conversions. Here are some other recommendations to help you take your customer experience to the next level. 1, personalization. Leverage customer data to offer tailored experiences like product recommendations and targeted emails. You can use tools like Klaviyo or MailChimp, for example, for this to help you build custom flows to personalize the customer journey. Number 2 is a streamlined navigation and checkout. Make the shopping journey smooth and hassle-free. Really important. Using tools like Shopify as a platform with its seamless one-page checkout and the Debutify builder that allows you to build a store that is geared to build a high-converting brand that is simple, sleek, and with a great navigation from the homepage to collection page. Omnichannel consistency. Ensure a seamless experience across all platforms. This means your branding is consistent from Instagram to TikTok, through to your marketing, your ads, the colors, the typography, the wording, all aligns them to make the customer feel valued and give them an experience that they won't forget, that they want to buy from you time and time again. And then there's engage post-purchase. Follow up with personalized messages, loyalty rewards, and opportunities to provide feedback. Apps like Reconvert allow you to optimize orders after they checked out, and you can also do this in email marketing apps. Now, it goes without saying that as technology evolves, so does potential potential for improving customer experience. AI, machine learning, and advanced analytics tools are transforming how businesses understand and serve their customers. The future is all about hyper-personalization and predictive analytics. This will only continue to become more important as people will enter the space building businesses, software that is bridging all gaps, and it will essentially mean that there will be more competition and it'll be more fierce. You need to be prepared for this, otherwise you won't succeed. So to be sure to embrace this into your business, as once you have loyal customers, no matter what happens out in the world, no matter what changes in that environment, your business will continue to thrive through the test of time. So to conclude, I wanted to say that customer experience analysis isn't just a trend. It's the foundation for a sustainable, successful business in e-commerce. By understanding your customers' needs, optimizing their journey, and continuously improving, you can create loyal advocates who keep coming back for more and more. It is more enjoyable that way as well to build a business that if you were the customer, would you be happy? Think from that perspective about what you would expect and then build from there as others will resonate with that too. Again, don't just sell products, create experiences, emotions. Like and comment this video for more insights into mastering the arts of e-commerce.